I have finally found a new method that you can use to get to 1,000 subscribers. The good thing about this method is that you don't need to upload a video, you don't need to do live stream, you don't need to even post a short before you be able to get your 1,000 subscribers. All you need to do is to use your YouTube Studio and the Chrome app to get 1,000 subscribers on your channel. Now, this is what big content creators are doing to get subscribers on their channel, even without uploading a video. While they are sleeping, some people are subscribing to their channel. Do you understand? Creators like vidIQ, Dan the creator, and the rest of them are using to get subscribers. Once you get to their channel, you see that this place I'm about to share with you is turned on their channel. All you need to do is to follow the step I'm about to share with you. Now, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you two methods that you can actually go about this thing. All right, so I'm not just going to share with you one method, I'm going to share with you another way that you can use to get your 1,000 subscribers even without uploading a video. Now, I'm going to take you through a scripted video and share with you how you can go about this method. If this is the first time of seeing my beautiful face, my name is Grace and you're welcome to my channel. What we do here is to share updates on how to grow on YouTube. I tell you mistakes to avoid so that you can get your channel monetized here on YouTube. So if these are the kinds of content you would like to watch, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will push it out to a larger audience. So without wasting your precious time, let's dive into the video. So the first thing you need to do is to come to your Chrome browser. Once you are here, go ahead and type studio.youtube.com. You type studio.youtube.com and then you click on go. Once you click on it, you are going to take you to an interface like this. You go ahead and click on continue to studio. Mind you can use it even if you are using your laptop. All right, so once you are here, so they are going to bring you to your YouTube Studio dashboard version. All right, so once you are here, go ahead and click on this three line at the top left corner of your screen. Once you click on it, I'm clicking this place just to get a better view of every icon that is here. Do you understand? So that they wrote it by their names. So you can see dashboard, content, analytics, community, languages, content detection, customization, audio, and the rest of them. All right, so all you need to do is to go ahead and click on customization. Now, once you click on customization, you're going to see an interface like this. Once you get to this interface, now as you can see, channel customization, here you can add your profile picture and add your banner as well. So whatever that you want to do, you can do it here, your channel banner and your profile picture here. Okay, so if you want, you can also change your channel banner, your picture, to a new one, but that is not what we're doing for now. So all you need to do is to scroll down. So once you scroll down, you're going to see channel URL. Now this is what we are going to use to get our subscribers. All right, so all you need to do is to copy this channel URL. All right, so all you need to do is to click on this place and it will be copied to your clipboard. All right, so once you have successfully copied the channel link, all you need to do is to open a new tab again on your YouTube, on your Chrome. All right, so I'm going to click on open new tab. So once you are here, go ahead and type auto subscribe link generator. So it has brought it forth. All right, so this is it, auto subscribe link generator. All you need to do is to type it like this and click on search. You allow it to load. Now once it loads up, you're going to see free YouTube auto subscribe link generator. So that is what you are going to click on. All right, this is it. So you go ahead and click on it. So now once you are here, as you can see, free YouTube auto subscribe link generator. I've made this video before on my channel, but so many people said they did not understand the video. All right, so that's why I'm making a new video again for a better understanding in 2026. All right, so all you need to do once you are here, go ahead and paste the link that you've copied on your YouTube Studio dashboard. Right, go ahead and copy it and paste the link here. Once you paste the link, you see this generate, you go ahead and click on generate. Now once it's done generating, you scroll down. Yeah, once you scroll down, as you can see, the link is already here for you to copy. Auto subscribe link. This is the auto subscribe link here. All right, so you go ahead, you copy the link to clipboard again. So after you've successfully copied the link, come back to your YouTube Studio dashboard, click on customization again, same way we did. All right, then when you scroll down, you see add links. All right, so you go ahead and click on add links, and then a space will come out for you to add link. As you can see, URL required. Now go ahead and click on this one and paste the link that you've copied as auto generate link. All right, go ahead and hold it firm, then you see the link will be pasted. All right, hold it firm, click on paste, and the link will be pasted here. So after then, you look at your left, you see that title is required. So all you need to do is to write a title that needs to be there. All right, it depends on your niche. All right, depend on whatever you want to write. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and type subscribe for more. All right, because that is what I wrote. The other one that I did, subscribe now, as you can see, is already on my channel. I'm just doing this for the purpose of this tutorial. All right, so I'm going to type in subscribe for more. All right, subscribe, or let me say subscribe for more tips, or you can just type subscribe for more. Do you get? So once you are done typing, make sure the link is the first one. Do you understand? Make sure the link is the first one, okay, before the thing will work. So now after you are done, you have to put it on public. You have to publish it. Do you understand? Without you publishing it, maybe so the reason why some of you did not get it on your channel is because you did not publish it. Go ahead and click on this publish. You cannot just paste the link there and add title and leave it like that. Do you get? So you go ahead and publish it. Click on publish and it will be published on your channel. Do you understand? So that is how it's gonna be. All right, so I'm going to be sharing with you the second method on how you can get your subscribers. Mind you, if this place is turned on your channel, if you've added the auto subscribe link, the trick is that if anybody comes to your channel, the person might see your channel subscribe button easily. Even without watching your video, people will subscribe to your channel. That is why if you check my channel, even when I was not uploading videos, people were still subscribing to my channel. Even when I was away, people were still subscribing to my channel. Do you understand? Immediately they come to your channel, they see the subscribe button, so they'll go ahead and click it and subscribe. Most things. And then sometimes even when you're doing a video, go ahead and remind your people that is watching your video that they should don't forget to subscribe to your channel. Do you understand? So now this is the second trick here. So once you are here, you click on the three line again. Once you click on the three line, you click on contents. Okay, once you click on the contents, you will see your different videos that you've done. All right, go ahead and click on any video that you want to use. Once you click on the video, click on the pencil icon. All right, okay, so once you are here like this, go ahead and click on end screen. Don't worry, it's not your regular end screen. I'm going to be teaching you. This is a new method. Calm down. Okay, so you click on end screen and then you click on elements. All right, so once you click on elements, now once this thing pump out like this, instead of you to choose a video, go ahead and click on subscribe, so that this subscribe will be showing on your video. Do you understand? So if anybody is watching your video, they'll be able to click, or they can easily click on the subscribe button and subscribe to your channel. Do you understand? So go ahead and click on the subscribe. Now once you click on the subscribe, this is what it's going to bring you. Do you understand? Now once you click on subscribe, you are going to see save. Go ahead and go ahead and click on the save. Do you understand? Go ahead and click on the save. So I'm going to take you back to my channel and show you how everything is on my channel. Do you understand? So now this is my channel. Now let me click on more. Now immediately I click on more, as you can see, this thing is effective on my channel. It's already showing on my channel, so anybody can just see your channel, or yeah, watch your video and subscribe to your channel. You guys can see subscribe now, although I did not publish the one that I did on this video. This was the one I did when I made the first video on this my channel. Do you understand? So it's already showing public, so it's already showing on my channel. So if anybody click on this link, they automatically subscribed to my channel. So that is how simple you can do this thing too. You go and check your big creators channel, these things are there too. So you too, as a beginner or a growing channel, update these things on your channel so that you too can get subscribers like the way your big creators are getting it. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this video was helpful. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.